Hello everyone, my name is Ben Warki, URK17CS004. Today I'm going to talk about um, array implementation of queue, then an application of a queue, that is circular queue. First, this is my program for a linear queue, or I have created a class linear queue with a queue as a 50 array, rare and friend as int, and a constructor. I have also initialized rare and friend as -1. This is my enqueue function, which the function that inputs the value into the queue. A queue always enters the value. The structure of queue is that the first in, first out. That means first value that has been entered into the queue is out first. That means dequeued first. This is my dequeue function. Here the dequeue will happen from the front. Um if the front is -1 or front is greater than rare, then queue is underflow. It will display. Otherwise, the elements will be deleted from the front. This is my display function, and this is my main function. So this is the output that I've got. So let's check out the program. So this is my program. I have created the linear queue constructor, rare and friend as -1, and queue function for entering the values inside the queue. This is my dequeue function. The queue works in first out. So the first value that I enter will be the first value to uh, get out of the queue as a normal queue. So let's check out the program. Here I have to enter the size of the queue. I'll enter 3. Insert first. Insert the element 5. I'll enter one more. 8. One more. And 20. So I have entered 20, 8 and 5. 5, 8, 20. So if you want to display the queue 3, so this is my queue 5, 8, 20. So if you delete from a queue, the first element that will be deleted is 5, then 8, then 20. So let's check out that. Delete option is 2. So the first value that is deleted from the queue is 5. Now if you display the queue is 8 and 20. Again let's delete. Now the values are the value only present in the queue is 20. 8 is being deleted. This is my queue implementation. Uh, my second application of the queue is circular queue. This is my circular queue. I have initialized friend rare as -1 and the size of the circular queue as 5. This is the insert function to check for the front and rare check for this condition to be true. If if it is full, it will show the queue overflow. otherwise the queue gets filled. From rare, the queue the circular queue gets filled when the rare and friend meets at a point, because it's in circular. uh, this is my DQ function. uh, the deletion of the circular queue starts from the friend. If friend is equal to -1, then the queue is empty, otherwise the queue is deleted from the friend, and the friend is incremented till it reaches the rare position, and becoming at last the queue will be empty. This is my display function. My main function, I have created a menu driven program for the insertion, deletion, display, and exit. First we'll enter the choice for insertion or deletion of display, and the function is carried out. So let's check out the program. So I'll insert some values. So the size of the queue is I have entered is 5. So I can, the maximum values are five elements I can enter into the queue. So my first option, I'll insert some values about 5, and again I'll enter 6, 3, and 2. Now let's display the circular queue. So this is my queue, circular queue 5632. So if you delete, so let's see what happens when we delete. Second option, 5 is being deleted. Now the queue will be 632. So let's see that 632. This is my program for the circular queue. When if I enter values more than 5, it will show that queue overflow. Otherwise, you can increment the value for n, and you can enter how many values you want. It keeps on deleting, and enter, you can enter more values. Thank you.